Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run a basic search. I'm going to walk you through how you can select your primary filter and then how you can use the operators all, any, and none to run your search. So let's begin by selecting your primary filter. We default to any description field. We do that because that filter extracts information from the purchase order and where the items are best described. So there are different areas of the PO that it contains it, and this filter pulls it out. However, you can select whatever filter you want. So click on that drop arrow. You're going to get this expanded menu. We have a lot of different filters. These are all different sections from the purchase order itself, so you can choose whatever one you want. For simplicity, we give you the most common filters on the upper portion of the list, so you can use those as well. I'm going to leave it at any description field. My next step is to begin using my operator. So let me walk you through those. I'm going to begin with all. The operator all works like the word and. If you're trying to find multiple things in the same line item, all is what you want to use. Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm trying to find an iPad. You're going to note that as I start to type the information in the search bar, you're going to get this drop down list of suggesters. If you want to add any of these items into your search, feel free to go ahead and click on those and it's going to add it to your search bar. Or you can just continue to type it within your search bar itself and then just hit the enter key in your keyboard to lock it in. Okay, so I begin running my search for iPad, but let's say I want to find an iPad that's 64 gigs. And so the more words I start to enter in my search bar, the more concentrated my result is going to get. And now let's say that I want this to be in gold. So now I have an iPad that's gold and it's 64 gigs, and you're going to see that the results are much more concentrated because now every line item has those three things written in it. And that's the way that the operator all works. It works like the operator and. It's looking for iPad and 64 and gold. Okay, the next one I want to show you is the operator any. For that, I'm going to create a new search. So I'm going to click on the new search link here on the upper portion of the screen. Any is our default operator. It is the default because most people are trying to create a much more expanded query, and any allows you to do that because it works like the operator or, where it finds multiple things if it appears separately or together in the same line item. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say that I'm trying to find paper towels. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here. It's going to be two words, so I'm going to write them side by side. I'm going to hit my enter key, and the system is going to look for just that phrase, paper towel, exactly as written. And so far we have 380,000 results in which that's the way that it appears. But it's possible that the agency maybe combined them. So instead of separating the word paper and towel, maybe they wrote it as one word. So I'm going to write it that way, and now you're going to see that our results are going to expand. Now we have 385,000 because the agency would have written paper towel as two words or paper towel as one. And any is a really great operator to allow you to do that, to actually search for things, either they appear separately or together in the same line item. And then the last operator is the operator none. So none is going to allow you to exclude information from your search. So if you're trying to remove things that are irrelevant to your query, you can go ahead and select none, enter those search items within your search bar, and the system will remove it. That's it. That's how you're going to run a basic search. So I encourage you to give it a go. Go ahead and try it out. If we can help you in any way, feel free to get in contact with us. You can reach us at 888-998-6348, or you can send us an email at support@smartprocure.us.